Because you are the pride of the Quezon City Council and Quezon City in general, we would like to give you our support, our full support from the Quezon City government. Of course, on behalf of Mayor Joy, Vice Mayor Lian, the City Council, and lahat buong Quezon City po. We really chose you to be one of the centers that Quezon City would support this coming elections. And we are also looking forward to more projects with you and your office once you're seated again in the Senate.
Bumiro ko nga eh. Pero may hawak ako. Dito ako unang umibig sa Jesus.
Ikaw mo ba na-meet si Ate Shawi?
Oh, di ba?
Ay, di ba?
Kapunta pa ako dyan.
Okay.
At dito rin ako na-busted ng 3 beses.
Oh.
Dyan sa UPB. Sabi ko, grabe naman.
To the name of?
Basta yung mga peso sa UP. But anyway, pero dito rin po niligawan si Sharon. Sa ABS-CBN. Kaya ibang hangin dito.